Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, we're going to create a simple C program that'll take in a couple numbers from the user and then ask them whether they want to add, subtract, multiply, or divide, and then provide an answer to them. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is include a header file here called stdio.h. And then I'm going to create a main function. I'll just do that with VS Code by typing main and then hitting tab, and that'll create the code for me. And what I can do is now do a print. Well, let's create some variables first. So I'm going to create an integer. We'll call that num1, and another integer. We'll call that num2. And then what I'll do is I will then let's do a printf and say enter in your favorite number. We'll want to end this line with a semicolon here. And then we'll do scanf, and we're going to do %d here, and then a comma and ampersand num1. And close that with that statement with a semicolon. We'll do another printf, and we'll say enter in number 2, or your second favorite number. We'll stick with favorites. Your second favorite number. You can write whatever you want to write, but and that with a semicolon. Do another scanf, another %d here. And this time it's going to be taking, we got to do an ampersand and then num2. Okay, and that with a semicolon. And then we want to figure out what calculation they want to have. So let's do a character, and we'll do char calculation. Declare it up here. And what we'll do is we'll do a printf, and we'll say enter in the type of calculation you want, and in parentheses we'll do plus, minus, multiplication or division. Close that with semicolon, and we do a scanf and then a %c ampersand calculation. Okay, close that out. And then we've got to do a conditional here. So we'll say if calculation double equals plus. What we'll do is we'll do a printf, and we'll say %d plus %d equals %d, and then we'll do num1, num2, and then num1 plus num2, and we'll close that out with semicolon. We'll do an else if, and we'll say calculation double equals minus, and we'll take this line here. Let's copy it, put it here, and do subtraction here and subtraction here, and then we'll say else if calculation double equals the asterisk there, and then we'll do another Control V here, and we'll change both of these to multiplication. Okay, and then we'll do an else, and paste that back in, and we'll change this and this to the slash for division. And let's go ahead. We're going to run the C file. I'm going to pick the GCC 12 C++ compiler. And it's going to go ahead and set everything up. And run. Okay, so we have enter your favorite number. Let me get this a little bit larger. So I'm going to go here and zoom here. And let's close this out. Enter your favorite number. Let's do 10. Second favorite number, let's say 3. And you'll see here it says enter in the type of calculation you want, but it just goes ahead and says 10 divided by 3 equals 3. Okay, so a couple issues we need to fix. Okay, so let's bring that back. So a couple things for formatting. We want to do a /n here, maybe 2 /n's, so it just sees what's going on. And then after this scanf, I'm going to put a get car to consume the new line character. That should prevent that issue. So now let's go ahead. First, let me get this larger. So I'll get this nice and large so we see the terminal nice and large, and run it. Okay, enter in your favorite number. Let's do 10. Second favorite number, 3. Calculation you want. Could have done a space there, a little bit better. Let's try plus 10 plus 13 equals, or 10 plus 3 equals 13. Cool. All right, let's zoom this back in. Let's fix that. We do a colon and a space. Get this larger again. Okay, run this. Okay, enter in my favorite number. Let's do 10. Let's do 3. Let's do minus this time. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Okay. Could also run this cd. Let's see. Let me list out. Okay, cd into that folder, and then could do just run the file. Enter my favorite number. Let's do 10. Let's do 3. Let's do multiplication. Okay, so 10 times 3 is 30. Let's do 10, 3, division. 10 divided by 3 equals 3. It's integer division. You'll notice there we don't get 3.33. All right, so now let's run it again. Enter in your favorite number, 10. Boom, it runs into an issue. Uh-oh. Okay, so how would you make this program better? And should we be using scanf? What do you think? Comment in the comments below, and let's get a discussion going. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Gave you a little bit of a taste of C programming. If you did enjoy it, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.